And on the right-hand side, all the way from Taiwan, from LimitlessIQ, give it up for Blaster Super Anthony. And on the left-hand side, all the way from the United States, from New Bright Anki, give it up for MECH COZMO. Alright, both robots are ready. We have Cozmo Mech on the left and Blaster Super Anthony on the right. You guys ready?
Round 1. Fight!
Oh no, looks like Super Anthony is down. We're gonna have to start that count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And looks like MECH COZMO is the winner. Good job, MECH COZMO. Let's go ahead and get ready for another round. Alright, so it looks like MECH COZMO is winning by 1. You guys ready?
Round 2. Fight!
Is a knockout by Super Anthony Blaster, in which Cozmo the pilot has fallen out of the mech, and that win goes to Blaster Super Anthony. Good job, Blaster. Let's go ahead and get ready for another round.
Round 3. Fight!
So, Blaster Super Anthony was unable to get up, making MECH COZMO the winner. Good job, MECH COZMO.
Round 4. Fight! So, once again, Cozmo has fallen out of the mech, making Blaster Super Anthony the winner. Now, both robots are currently tied 2 for 2, meaning this round is winner takes all. Here is a death battle. Final round. Fight!
And there you have it. Cozmo has fallen out of the mech, making Blaster Super Anthony the winner of the match. Now, if you guys wanted to see anybody else fight, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.